everyone, welcome to my Akka class channel. Today I am writing Independence Day speech. Let's learn today Independence Day speech. First line. Good morning everyone. Second line. My name is Saujanya. Third line. Today is 15th August, our Independence Day. Fourth line. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Fifth line. India got freedom on this day in 1947. Sixth line. It is a national festival of India. Seventh line. I love my country very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Thank you for watching video. Please share and subscribe my channel.